Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your INFINIX Hot 50. First, remove the screen protector or case and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your screen protector is not applied perfectly, and if this side is, let's say, uncovered, but this side goes over the screen and goes to the sides, then it can leave the ghost touch here and you will see a random clicks, random holds over screen, and your screen could do this for an example. So you definitely do not want it. Next, for the case, if your case is covering the bezel, so this dark part between the screen and the case, if your case goes over to the screen, then the same thing can happen. So it can click, let's say here, and this would happen. It will start clicking, and basically it can very badly mess up your device. Now, after that, what you guys want to do, if you removed one of those things, is clean your screen to remove any debris, moisture, and fingerprints. So the fingerprints are a bonus here. We're gonna use a microfiber cloth for it. Make sure that it's clean. And now you need to give your phone a few swipes and then you're good. So 4 swipes is definitely enough. And after that, what you guys want to do is go over and restart your phone. So this is to refresh the entire system. Maybe it's just a software glitch. We're gonna hold the power button for 2.5 seconds. And then press restart and tap again to restart the device. So now it's restarting and I'll see you guys once it restarts. So after a restart, simply enter your password. And after entering your password, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. And in those settings, you want to update your software. So go to My Phone and then click on the XOS. Here you will see the software update. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.